Okay, assignment 3, video 4. This video, in the last video, we learned how to, I went over how to create the different views and the UCSs at the same time. It ended off with the drawing like this. In this video, we'll cover how to insert the 3D points and convert them to Kogo points similar to assignment 2. So to do that, first of all, you have to make sure that you're in the world coordinate system. So switch that over to the world coordinate system, and I have it on the world view. The next step is to, well, I like to make my current layer the existing topo point, because that's what we're going to be working on. And then simply go to the Insert tab, insert a block, find the file that was provided on eLearn, and insert it. Remembering to, don't forget to explode it when you insert it. So once it's exploded, you should get something like this after it's inserted. Then you can simply go to the Home tab, go to Points, and then convert AutoCAD points. From here we will select all the points. Hitting Enter, we get the big yellow X. So if you just keep your finger on the Enter button, the points that were provided will get changed over to the Kogo points. Once you have something that looks like this, the next step would be to create a point group. So we go to the Prospector tab, under Point Groups, right click, click on New. Under Name, under the Information tab, we type in EXTopo. We go to, in order to determine how many points were imported, we go to the Point Groups, go to All Points, go to Point List tab, scroll all the way down, and here you'll see that there are 350 points that were inserted. So then we go back to the point groups, we uncheck this, uncheck the all points, go to include with numbers matching 1 to 350. Click on OK, and you would get something like this. Now we have to edit the different styles, so to do that we can simply click on the existing topo point group, right click, go to properties. It brings us back to this the point group properties, and we'll start with a point style, and similar to assignment 2, we'll change it over by copying this current selection, which is basic. And what we're going to do is the first thing is under the information tab, we'll name it to EXTopo point. Go to the marker, we'll keep it at the X, and just switch the drawing scale to 0.5 millimeters. Then go to the display tab, and under the marker, find the correct layer, existing topo point. Under the label, find the correct layer for existing topo label. Click on OK. If we click on Apply and OK, that changes the point style. The next thing to change is the point label style. To do that, we should start with the elevation only. Pulling on this, click on the down triangle, go to the copy current selection, and under the information tab, we'll name this again to existing topo label. Under the general tab, we'll change the layer over to existing topo label. Click on OK. Under the layout tab, we'll change the text height to 1.5 millimeters and the rotation angle to -45 or 315 degrees. Everything else should stay the same. We can click on Apply, OK, and under the point group properties dialog box, Simply click on Apply and OK. And you can see that the changes have taken effect to the existing topple point group. This concludes video 4.